Children, do you know elephants are the world's largest land animal. They are also very intelligent animals. Elephants communicate by sound, trumpeting when they are happy and grunting when they are annoyed. Today, let us spend one day with Nandu. So let us start lesson number 3, a day with Nandu. I am going to tell you a story of Nandu. Children, can you see the image of Nandu? Do you know who is Nandu? Nandu is a baby elephant. He is only 3 months old, but his weight is around 200 kgs. See how he is sleeping in between the legs of his family members. After some time, Nandu woke up suddenly. Where was he? He was not sure. He was very nervous. He thought that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. But actually, they were not tree trunks. Then, what were they? They were the legs and trunks of his own family members. This picture is of Nandu's Nani. Children, do you know who is called Nani? Mother's mother is called as Nani. The elephant shown in the picture is Nandu's mother's mother. That is Nandu's Nani. Nandu's Nani is the oldest of the herd of elephants. A herd is a group of elephants. Children, do you know the meaning of trumpet? Trumpet means a loud sound made by an elephant. At noon, this Nandu's Nani trumpeted so loudly and started moving towards the jungle. This is the trumpet sound of Nandu's Nani. Hearing her trumpet, the other female elephants started to follow her. Nandu also went with his Nani. This herd of elephants, that is group of elephants, reached the jungle. All female elephants went to different places and started eating twigs and leaves of different trees. In these images, you can see that how all female elephants are eating twigs and leaves of different trees at different places in the jungle. After eating, as you can see in the given pictures, that this herd of elephants moved towards the river. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in the water, whereas Nandu's mother lay down in the water and mud. Children, do you know that elephants enjoy playing in muddy water? The mud keeps their skin cool. Now, in this slide, you can see how elephants love to enjoy and play in water. Nandu, the baby elephant, saw his brothers and sisters pulling one another's tails while playing in water. He even saw them showering fountain of water on each other. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. Then he quietly went and stood near his mother. Mother gently pushed Nandu towards the water, as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu very much loved to play in water. His cousins were already bathing and playing and enjoying in water. Just as he reached near them, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got completely wet. Oh, so this was the work of his naughty cousins. They were the one who sprayed fountain of water on Nandu. Nandu also got quite excited. He too joined them in the game. Now, sun was about to set and it was getting dark. So, before sunset, the herd of elephants started going back towards the jungle. As you can see in both the pictures that the herd of elephants are moving towards the jungle. By this time, Nandu was very tired. He was hungry and feeling sleepy. So he settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. Nandu's day was indeed very exciting. So children, did you see how Nandu enjoyed his day? Thank you. See you soon in next EVS class. Bye bye. Take care.